Tired of your old bank and ready for a change? Let's ditch the drama and walk through opening a new Chase account, step by step. First, head over to Chase.com. Take a look at the top navigation bar. You will see a variety of options. Click Open an Account. Now, you'll see a bunch of different account types. Chase offers checking, savings, and even CDs. Let's focus on opening a checking account. You can quickly compare the accounts to see what works best for your financial lifestyle, but the iconic and versatile Chase Total Checking Account is a great place to start. Click Open now. Get ready to fill out the application. You'll need some important information handy, including your social security number, driver's license, and existing address. Next, you'll need to fund your new account. You can easily link an existing bank account or even use a debit card. There is often a minimum deposit to keep in mind, so make sure you take note of that before proceeding. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait to be guided through the rest of the form. Congratulations! You are at the end of the beginning. After submitting your application, Chase will review it, and once approved, you're all set. Keep an eye out in the mail for your new debit card. Now you're ready to experience everything Chase has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more banking tips and tricks.